Hello everybody and welcome back. I know it's been a while, but it's harvest season. This is the first day. We are harvesting today. We're shelling corn somewhere down there. Just set up an auger, drive over, cleaned out rotten stuff out of the wet bin that goes to the dryer, then screenings bin, cleaned all that out. It was pain, but we got it and just got everything set up. Well, everybody's rolling on harvest and I get to go disc. It was too wet to plant some stuff. We got so much rain this spring. There were some fields that couldn't plant because it was so wet, and then now we haven't had good rain in 2 months, so we're completely dry right now. And the field I'm going to is called the pond because it normally floods, so that's why it ain't planted. But now the weeds are super tall, so I'm gonna go disc it so we don't get no more weeds in there, and try to keep the weeds off and stuff like that. So let's get over there to the field. Well, I just got here, got unfolded. I don't know whose track hoe that is, but I disked it once, and I'm gonna put a different angle on it, disc it again, but you can see some of the weeds was actually like 6 or 7 feet tall. So, you know, trying to chew up the stuff that the disc couldn't chew up the first time. I did literally one round and I can't even see where I'm supposed to go back to with all this dust. This is proof we haven't had rain in forever. And I don't got auto steer. I don't know how to work this new monitor, so I'm just gonna freewheel the whole thing. But now I can see. Golly, it's so dry and dusty. Well, I'm getting out to the stretch a little bit. A bunch of it knocked out, and picked a scab I probably shouldn't have, but super dusty. I can't check anything from the window, so I'm just gonna get out, check everything, make sure everything's good. Good things knocked out. It's just back and forth, pretty boring. So anywho, let's get back at it. Well, we're doing our last few rounds, and then we are gonna do our end runs. We're gonna head out. I think this is pretty much will be all I'm discing today, but we'll find something else at the shop. I do gotta leave somewhat early today because I got school tomorrow, and it's Labor Day, I think. It's Monday. Yeah, it's Labor Day. So I'll try to get some more actual harvest videos. Our beans are still completely green. Corn's some of it's ready to go, and some of it's still green because we planted a lot of light stuff. It's a week later, it's a Friday evening, and I'm grain carting on corn. I just showed up, got here after school. It's around maybe 5, 6 o'clock, and we've had a little bit of rain, 3/10. I think, I don't remember, Wednesday or Thursday. Sprinkling here and there today, but we're good as of right now. And so I'm grain carting on corn. I haven't done it in a year, so it's going to take a little bit to get used to again. only got one, not quite full tank on, but I'm gonna park down here where he can dump on me when I get down here, and then we gotta work on the corn header again. They're working on it when I showed up, so we're gonna work. I guess there's something else wrong with it, so we're gonna work on it. Shouldn't take too long, hopefully. Well, I loaded one truck, and I've noticed number one hydraulic is backwards, so I'm gonna try to. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Hold on. There we go. So I just flipped those hydraulic hoses. Oh, he said we're gonna do 3 semi-loads and we're quitting for tonight, so it ain't gonna be very late. I put the camera on a little too late, but he got some cab corn going through that waterway. But oh well, it'll buff out.